Good morning, farm. Morning, girls. Ready for your fresh pasture?
Oh, no. River's too high.
They can't cross, but that's their best grass. The tractor. Max will find a way. Time to work. Farmer Max on the job. Big machine. Max can drive this, yes. Up. Almost there. Come on, old friend. Work for Max.
Yes! We did it! To the river!
Steady. Almost there. Just a little further, girls. Max is coming. All right, girls, follow Max. Come on, big brave cows.
Come on. Not on, behind. Max will take you. Safe. Move.
Yes. Good. Come on, friends. Perfect. All aboard.
Easy, big waves. We're almost there. Push! We're stronger together. Hey! Max needs his hat.
Almost there. Keep going, team.
Ta-da! Fresh grass for everyone.
Good job, Max. Happy cows, happy farmer.
See you later, girls. Enjoy your lunch.
Another successful crossing. Woo.
Hard work.
Dirty. Max needs a bath. Another day, another adventure. Good night, everyone. Another day, farm. Let's go. Good morning, my friends. Eat up. Whoa. What's wrong, Mama Duck? What's the fuss, eh? Peep. Oh no, sounds like little ones. Where are they?
Oh dear, my little fuzzy friends.
Stuck. This is not good. Almost. So close. Ugh, little arms. This pipe, too strong. Max needs something bigger. Shovel no. Stick no. Wait!
The shed. The yellow machine.
Yes! The digger. Big scoop, big power. Perfect. Almost there, little ducklings. Max is coming. Whoa! The mighty yellow beast. Big. Bigger than Max. This one? No. This one? Whoa! Not that one. It lives. It's L-O-U-D. But... Yes! I got it too! Drop! Whoa! Max is a digger now. Here we come, little ones. Max and the big yellow helper. Okay, Max. Precision time. Don't want to squish anyone.
Easy duck. Just enough, not too much.
Almost there, Mama Duck. Max is working hard.
Don't mess this up, Max. Don't mess this up.
Yes, moving. They hear me. Almost free. Stubborn root. Max won't give up. Never. Ha! Take that, Root! Max wins! Time to save!
Almost done. A soft path for my little friends. Gently, gently.
There! The gate is open! Come on, little heroes!
Yes, all of you. Safe. Oh, my heart.
Oh, beautiful. Just beautiful. My little farm family.
Good job, Max. And good job, Yellow Machine. Everyone's safe.
Good rest now, Big Helper. Until next time, eh? Little scamp. You know who saved you, don't you? All's well that ends well. Max's farm is a happy farm. Ooh, good morning, farm. Another busy day. Almost perfect. We keep farm safe, yes. Hey! Big angry. Leave Calf alone. Shoo! Too big, too mad. Max needs bigger plan. Aha! The loud red beast. Max has idea. Big steps. Big machine. Go, go, go. Whoops. Whoop. Steady. Max ride this beast.
Honk!
Go away, big bull.
Honk! Honk!
Go on! Ole, shoot!
Yep. Gotcha. No more trouble, big guy. Oof. Hard work. But Max saved the day. This farm always has Max. My farm, my family. Good job, big metal friend. Sleep now.
Good night, little Daisy. Max protects farm family.
Another perfect day on the farm. Ooh, 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 ah. Ba-ah. Billy? Billy? Where are you, little friend? Ooh. Oh no, Billy. What have you done? Too strong, too many rocks. How do I get them? Ooh. Ain't just the thing. Ooh. Must hurry. Must go. Woohoo!
My trusty steed.
Ooh. Come on, you big banana mover. Start. Yes. We're coming, Billy. Woohoo! Whoa! A little bumpy. Woo-wee. All right, Billy. Uncle Max is here. Ooh-ah. Whoa! Left, right, no, that's up. Ooh. Too many buttons. Which one does the digging? Oops. My apologies, Billy. Uh-oh.
Okay, Max.
Focus for Billy. Whoa! Careful, Billy! Yay! Safe! Good job, Billy! Ooh! Bah! Oh, my little friend! So glad you're safe! No more river adventures, okay? Understand? Bah!
Mission accomplished. Farmer Max is the best.
Good job, my friend. Time to rest.
Home sweet home, Billy. Keep close now. Ooh.
See? Much better than cold water. Remember, always call Max if you get stuck.
Chà, một ngày tuyệt vời trên nông trại.
Ủa? Daisy đâu rồi? Daisy! Daisy! Em ở đâu?
Không thể nào. Daisy không thích nơi này.
Daisy! Ôi không!
Cố lên Daisy, cố lên.
Không được, mình phải đi tìm giúp đỡ.
Nghĩ đi, Matt. Nghĩ đi. Phải có cách chứ.
Cái máy đảo mini. Đúng rồi.
Đây thôi. Cố lên, Matt.
Hay da!
Cao quá.
Cái nào đây? À, phải rồi.
Nó chạy rồi!
Từ từ thôi.
Daisy. Cố lên. Anh tới đây.
Từ từ. Chính xác.
Đừng sợ, Daisy. Max sẽ giúp em.
Ngoan lắm, Daisy. Sắp xong rồi. Lên nào, lên nào.
Ủa rồi. Xong rồi. Em an toàn rồi, Daisy.
Hoan hô. Chúng ta đã làm được.
Em có sao không? Đau ở đâu không? Daisy. Được rồi mà. Về nhà thôi, Daisy.
Ăn ngon miệng nhé, Daisy.
Một ngày khác trên nông trại của Max.